over budget!
Home renovations are exciting, but let's face it, they don't always go according to plan.
If your renovation is starting to creep over budget, don't worry. It happens more often than you think, and there are ways to handle it.
In this video, we're sharing our top 5 tips for managing your budget and getting your project back on track.
Let's dive right in. Step 1, pinpoint the problem. First things first, let's figure out what is causing this overrun. Is it unexpected repairs, upgraded materials, or maybe some scope creep with additional features? Identifying the issue is the first step to finding a solution.
For example, here on Long Island, older homes come with lots of surprises, like outdated wiring or structural repairs that can quickly inflate costs. If that's the case, work with your contractor to quickly prioritize what needs to be immediately addressed.
Step 2, revisit your priorities. Once you know what the issue actually is, take a good hard look at your priorities. What's essential and what can wait? Sometimes scaling back on non-essential items is the best way to stay within budget.
Maybe you really want that waterfall countertop on your kitchen island, but it's adding thousands to the budget. That would be a great opportunity to consider a simpler design and save that dream feature for a later phase.
Step 3, talk to your contractor. Your contractor is your partner in this project, so don't hesitate to have an honest conversation about budget. Ask if there are ways to cut costs without compromising quality.
Experienced contractors like us and our team can often suggest alternatives, like choosing less expensive materials or adjusting the scope to save money without sacrificing functionality.
Step 4, adjust your financing. If the budget overruns are unavoidable, you might need to explore additional financing options. This could include extending a renovation loan or tapping into a home equity line of credit, otherwise known as a HELOC.
Before committing, make sure you understand the terms and how they'll fit into your overall financial picture. Staying informed will help you make a confident decision.
Step 5, learn for the future. Finally, use this as a learning experience. If your renovation went over budget, what can you do differently next time? And what can you tell your friends? Building in a contingency cost of 10 to 20% for unexpected expenses is always a good idea.
Every renovation project teaches you something. By planning smarter next time, you can avoid similar issues and keep things on track. Going over budget on a home renovation can be stressful, but it is not the end of the world. By pinpointing the problem, adjusting your priorities, and working closely with your contractor, you can get your project back on track and still achieve a beautiful result.
If you're planning a renovation here on the North Shore of Nassau County on Long Island, give us a call. We'd love to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any more fun, educational, and construction tips. And tell us in the comments, what's the biggest challenge you've faced when doing a renovation? See you next time.